Evelyn, and I'm making dog treats. Remember those treats that Zel didn't like because they were too soft and it's not chewy. So we added water, oat cereal, and oatmeal. Smash it. It's very hard.
And then you're gonna
smash.
rebake, right?
Yes, I'm gonna rebake it. More, so now we're gonna get a spoon and shape it. This much. So I just like a spoon.
Good job, Evelyn. Keep going. You need 100 of those.
What? You forgot to put in oil.
No, you don't need it. It's paper. You don't need oil.
Oh. So now I'm going to put it in the oven. Goodbye. This is so scary. So after 20 minutes, I took out the dog treats, or however you want to say it. So now we're going to put it on this paper plate to let it cool off, and I'll show you that Zel will eat it. So we're going to take out one right here. So now we're going to let it cool off for a couple minutes, maybe for like 5 or 4 minutes. So now the cookie is done. This is how it looks. Now we're going to test it. If Zel liked it, then the other one that I made. Zel, sit. It's still kind of hot. It's still hot. Sit. Still hot. Still hot. She likes it. Let's see if we get her.
She likes it. Give her another one.
Yeah, let's see if she likes it again. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. She likes it. Yay! Okay. She likes it.
Good job, Evelyn.
No.
You made treats that she really likes.
Is it yummy?
Good job.